The servant's plight. One morning, Akbar looked into the mirror. Suddenly, he called his servant and said, "Go and call him now." The obedient servant rushed out, but soon realized that he didn't know who he was supposed to call. But he was terrified of asking Akbar, lest the emperor should be furious. So he went to Birbal instead and narrated his plight. Birbal asked the servant, "What was the emperor doing when he called you?" The servant said, "He was looking into the mirror." Birbal said, "It means the emperor noticed that his hair had grown long. He wanted to see the barber." After the servant had left, Akbar realized that he had not told the servant whom to call. Soon, the servant entered his room with the barber. Akbar was surprised. He asked, "How did you know I wanted to see the barber?" The servant replied, "Birbal told me, Your Majesty." Akbar admired Birbal's wisdom. The half-brother. When Akbar was young, his nurse took care of him like her son. She would feed him her milk when his mother was away. Akbar respected her a lot and treated her like his mother. He considered the nurse's son as his half-brother. Akbar loved his half-brother and made lavish arrangements whenever his half-brother came to see him. Sometimes, Akbar stayed absent from the court to spend time with his half-brother. Birbal did not want Akbar to neglect his duties. So when Akbar asked Birbal, "Do you also have a half-brother?" Birbal replied, "Yes, I shall bring him tomorrow, Your Majesty." Next day, Birbal brought a calf to the court. Akbar shouted, "Birbal, what is this animal doing here?" Birbal replied, "Your Majesty, this is my half-brother. Since childhood, I have been feeding on the milk of his mother, the cow." Akbar understood Birbal's message and stopped giving undue importance to his half-brother. The Courtiers and the Shawl. Birbal was Akbar's favorite courtier, and this caused resentment among many other courtiers. They told Akbar, "Your Majesty, Birbal is not the only intelligent courtier. Please give us a chance to prove ourselves." Akbar controlled his anger and said, "Get a shawl that is 2 meters long." The courtiers rushed out and brought a shawl. When they returned, they saw Akbar lying on his bed. Akbar said, "Drape me with the shawl such that my body is covered." Akbar was tall and could not be covered with the shawl. Just then, Birbal entered the room. Akbar asked him to cover him with the shawl. He said, "Your Majesty, please bend your knees and curl up a bit." Akbar did so, and Birbal easily covered him with the shawl. Akbar said, "One should stretch one's legs according to the length of the shawl." The embarrassed courtiers understood that Akbar wanted them to stay within their limits. Birbal catches a thief. One day, a woman came to Akbar's court with a man. She said, "Your Majesty, this man snatched all my ornaments." The man said, "I am a visitor, Your Majesty. This woman brought me here to meet you." Birbal asked the woman, "How much were your ornaments worth?" She said, 6,000 gold coins. Birbal knew she could not afford so much gold, but he gave her the money. After she had left, Birbal whispered a secret to the man and a servant. They followed the women. After a while, the man tried to snatch the woman's bag, but she held him by the collar and reached Akbar's court to complain against him. But the servant told Birbal what he had seen. Birbal asked the women, "If this man could not snatch a bag from you, how could he have snatched ornaments from you?" The women fell at Akbar's feet and begged for forgiveness. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.